Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we're working on Chevy Equinox or Pontiac Torrent, you know, the same platform. We'll show you how to remove and replace the window motor regulator, the motor for the window rear, okay, for the rear window on a Chevy Equinox, guys, first generation. That's the one we're working on right here. It's been a long day and many videos. Okay, so stay with us, guys. Okay, we will show you how to remove and replace the motor now if yours is not working. It's not very complicated. Thank you guys for watching and please subscribe. Okay, first guys, there is one screw that we will need to remove right there with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, check it out. Let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. And after that we will need to pry a little bit towards the front in the middle, right here. Pry in and then pry it out. You need to pull the door handle and pull the piece out, just like that. Okay, next we need to remove that trim because there is hidden bolts, screws underneath it. So if you start on the bottom, okay, pry it like that. It will come loose. Okay, you can see it's really tight, guys, so don't pull on the plastic, try to pry the clips. Okay, you pull towards the back at the very end. Now underneath right here we have two screws with a 10mm socket that we'll need to remove. Okay, one is there and one is towards the front. Okay, this one is loose. Now we have the one there. Okay, now on the bottom right there is a place where you can place a screwdriver, okay, and pry the initial pry that will release a few clips. That way you can start prying the door panel. Okay, once you do that you can get your fingers underneath and start pulling. Once we remove it, guys, we'll show you exactly where all the clips are. Okay, this one there as well. Now I think we'll need to remove that cap. Just with a prying tool, okay, you can pull it out like that. And now there is, I think, 2 or 3 clips here. Okay, like that. So let us explain where the clips are. Towards the front, okay, that's the top part. And then you go down, okay, like that. Perfect. Okay, next we will need to cut the glue for that foam. Okay, foam insulation, that's the one that prevents cold wind noises coming inside the cabin. So don't pull on it too much because you will break it. You need to cut the glue. It reseals when you press it in really hard. After that, if it doesn't for some reason, you can use silicone to install it later. Okay, it's out of there now. You can see it came in one piece, that's a good thing. Okay guys, so right here now with a T32, the star looking one, you don't need the one with the hole. We need to remove 3 screws. Okay, we removed 2, now the third one. Okay, so now it gets in there really tight. So if you get a screwdriver you can gently pry it. Okay, it will come out. And you need to hold either the window or you need to tape it because it might fall while you when you remove the motor regulator. This wire you just press in and remove it like that, super simple. Check it out, guys, how much rust it has here. It needs to definitely be greased when you install the new one. Okay, it lines up, we got it in, tap it barely and install the 3 screws. So not very complicated procedure. And you will, guys, need to put everything back together in reverse order. We took it apart. Not very complicated. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.